Welcome to the really awesome, super perfect, fun and rockin', crazy great songwriting workshop. My name is Dino Odell. It's day 3, and this is lesson 1. Our big topic is rhyming couplets. Let's get started with the rhyming couplet test. This is easy. You're going to fill in the blank at the end of the couplet. No problem. Here's couplet number 1. Lightning thunders all around. Soon the rain falls on the... Number 2, it's hard to see the butterfly. He flies quite fast across the... And number 3, I scrubbed with soap, but you should boil it, 'cause I knocked your toothbrush in the... Let's move on to this next section. Which of these is not a rhyming couplet? Is it A, I meant what I said, and I said what I meant. An elephant's faithful 100%. B, roses are red, violets are blue, honey is sweet, and so are you. Or C, I like to eat cake and chocolate ice cream. Which of these is not a rhyming couplet? If you said C, I like to eat cake and chocolate ice cream, you're correct. C is not a couplet because it does not rhyme. All right, let's try the next one. Which of these is not a rhyming couplet? A, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. B, when I drink lots of soda, I slurp, slurp, slurp. About 20 minutes later, I burp, burp, burp. Or C, I like to play every day. Which is not a rhyming couplet? If your answer was C, I like to play every day, you're correct. C is not a couplet, but it does rhyme. I like to play every day. Why isn't it a couplet? Oh, because it has to be split into 2 lines. It's written on 1 line. We have to make sure that we write our couplets on 2 lines. So we could change I like to play every day to I like to play every day. It sounds exactly the same, but it looks different. Yep, that's a rhyming couplet. What if a rhyming couplet was written on a page like this? All right, well, it sounds okay. I scrubbed with soap, but you should boil it, 'cause I knocked your toothbrush in the toilet. Well, that sounds fine, but what's wrong with it? Yeah, it needs to be written on 2 lines. Otherwise, it's hard to see as a rhyming couplet. If we could adjust it, there we go. I scrubbed with soap, but you should boil it, 'cause I knocked your toothbrush in the toilet. When we talk about rhyming couplets, there are 3 main rules for identifying the couplet. A rhyming couplet has 2 lines, sentences, or phrases. It's called a couplet, remember? And couplet comes from the word couple. A couple means 2. The rhyme happens at the end of the line. That's important. Also, each line is about the same length. Also, number 2, each line is about the same length. Excellent. Let's move forward. Buy me a purple cow now. Wait, yeah, I think I want to change it to you must do it right now. Buy me a purple cow, you must do it right now. That's much better. How about this one? Is this a rhyming couplet? When I eat a lot of cheese, I sneeze. Well, there's 2 lines, so it's a couplet. Does it rhyme at the end? Cheese and sneeze rhyme. Okay. How could this couplet be better? The second line is really quite short. It's not about the same length. It's much shorter than the first line. So we're going to come up with some options. When I eat a lot of cheese, we'll add some words to this. When I eat a lot of cheese, I always have to sneeze. Or, when I eat a lot of cheese, I burp and then I sneeze. Or, when I eat a lot of cheese, I sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. All those would work just because we made that second line a little bit longer. Now it's your turn to write some rhyming couplets. You're going to write 3 rhyming couplets. This is easy, no problem. On your mark, get set, go. Okay, for your next assignment, we're going to be doing something called Creation Station. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we're just going to be diving deeper into writing and songwriting. We'll see you again soon.